Yo, I'm gonna be playing with my friend again, once again. Yo, Mario, can you join? Where are you? You shut up, I'm Mahira. You're not coming in my videos.
La 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 la.
Yo, I'm gonna tell your mama that you're being in my video. If
What the heck is it? I texted you a video of you playing Roblox.
yes, we did already.
Yeah, we did. But how did you?
Let me just play Brookhaven yet. Okay, guys.
I have more coins. I'm gonna play with you.
Oh, I don't see.
Give me the phone.
I have to hide.
Come and join you.
I'm hiding. Yo, I'm hiding here. I'm hiding behind the cola cans. Okay, hide and seek.
I'm hiding behind the apple.
I'm hiding behind the cola can.
Hide from the seeker.
I see in the night or whatever.
I'm behind the apple.
Yeah, I think I might win.
I'm actually behind
Oh no. If I move, then I'm
the
dead.
seeker.
I don't know who's the seeker.
That Bloxy color.
Yeah, I'm next to the Bloxy cola. The blue Bloxy cola, the blue one. I'm next to it. Where are you? Wait, is it? It's next to the ball. I just win! Yeah, I won! Press the button. I pressed the button. No, look, button presser me. Look at the button presser. This is the button presser, this is me. Huh? Look up. No, I died! Think fast!
I'm still in this thing.
Oh wait, I'm supposed to stand on that for. Oh, you cheater! I'll go there. Where's the uncle there? Oh, he's super smart. No!
He is. He's super smart.
No!
I'm still in this.
Yo guys, can you please subscribe me because this is my real channel of Gamer Kid. So if you haven't seen Gamer Kid challenges more, I'm turning those 28 subs to this channel of 28 subs because I'm gonna start on this channel.
This guy's trying to find me, but he can't even find me.
I see you! I see you! I know, right? Look, you're right here. Look on top of you. Oh.
Oh my god, I fell off the map.
Banana!
Seeing in my life. It's the
Banana!
I'm not a banana.
I'm gonna get you. What is banana? I haven't got the banana.
Most of it.
Oh wait, get ready for a math question. This is easy. What is 10 minus 1? 9.
What time did you say?
Answer. I said 9.
It's the bananas.
I'm staying on the score a goal to earn coins. Yo, score a goal. I'll score a goal.
Which team are you on?
I'm on this team. I'm on blue team.
Oh, I'm on red team.
Look, we're gonna win.
No, look.
Look at bananas.
No.
But he's cheating.
He's cheating.
I jumped. Oh. I'm gonna go to score coins. Stop! No one's gonna go. No, don't kill me.
Wait, where did I get the ball?
The ball's gone. Bro, the ball is so bad quality. Reach to the other side. Oh, this is hard.
I didn't say reach to the other side.
Reach the other side. I like my no. This is impossible.
I'm over here.
Ooh, ah!
This is not impossible for me.
This is easy.
Oh my god, I just made myself die for no reason.
Ooh,
Oh my god, I made myself die again.
it's easy.
Oh my god.
There's a banana again.
Should we play Murder Mystery now?
No, but it doesn't work.
Yes, it will. But the other ones work for me.
No, let's not play that one. That's...
Okay, I'm not playing it.
No! Come on, let's go. Let's play. Or let me join you. We only have a bit of time left. About 2 minutes. Now,
Tell them what we left the game.
we left the game. Okay. So we are gonna play another game, but
Murder Mystery.
yeah, just the fake one because my friend can't even play it. Yeah, play it. We need to be quick. I'm joining you. Where are you? Oh, Mariam. I'm gonna join you.
Creekcraft.
Ah, Creekcraft! Is Creekcraft playing it?
No.
No, wait, seek. Oh, seek. Oh, no, nothing. Hide and seek. Mangoes, man. Oh,
That's Angel. Why is
wait,
her name Angel?
mangoes. Oh, wait, mango from... Okay.
Look what you did again.
Let's just, I'm talking about the game. We were going to make a part 2, so in case this video doesn't finish.
Phone? Because I'm using a phone.
Phone, because I'm using a phone.
Claim.
Is this your first day? Wait for me.
It's
I'm loading. It's taking from me so long.
My weapon!
Bro, I can't play. It's too laggy. It's too laggy. I'm coming down. Yeah, coming down. The voice sounds so kiddish and unvoiced or whatever. Because if you think so, this is bad.
I don't mind.
But why does it take so long? Why does it take? Well, should we play Obby?
No.
It's taking so long. It's been a minute and it hasn't even done it. I'm leaving. Come on. So let's play.
Leave.
Should we play an Obby? What type of Obby? Obby, but you're on a bicycle.
No.
Which one?
Let's just play a normal obby.
Okay.
It's like, oh.
Obby.
Obby.
Should we play two-player Obby? Or should we...
Yes, that is actually fun. Those are fun.
Teamwork Obby. Wait.
Yes.
Wait for me. Teamwork Obby. So I need your help.
Customize your name.
Stop. I'm gonna tell your mom. I'm actually
I don't care.
guys, we're going to bye.